lovely traditional marriage between Miss Josephine, Reuben of local family in Nkoro in half of Korea section of Nkoro, Okpobo local government area of the state. And please, can you say hi to the people? Greet your people. And Abraham saying Abba of Abba a same family. And Nkoro, Etina, and one in the state. Can I say hi to your people? There's no time. God bless you. Come this. Hello. You have just 1 minute left to say hi to your people. Members of the high table are waiting. Time is on our side. The latest bride in town. Put your hands together for the latest bride in town. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh! Members of my family, are you just looking out like that? Are you just looking out like that? Hey, see that? It's too bad. Oh, beautiful lady. Oh! I never knew that we have such a beautiful one in the Nkoro here. Just think that much. You are so beautiful. So beautiful. I should be like how you're dancing. That is a one meeting. Mom and Dad, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey, see the investor. Put your